One more person in Nagaland tests positive for COVID-19 today, taking the state's tally of cases to 4. Nagaland Chief Secretary says with the arrival of stranded persons from outside the state, the government along with district administration and frontline workers have been stepping up its preventing measures with great efficiency. And the death toll due to COVID-19 rise to 4,167 in the country, while the number of cases climbed to 1,45,380. The number of active COVID-19 cases climbed to 80,722. As many as 60,490 people have recovered. Well, hello and welcome to News and Trends, and you're watching the Daily News Bulletin. One more person in Nagaland has tested positive for COVID-19 today, taking the state's tally of cases to 4. Taking to Twitter, Nagaland's Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pom said another returnee from Chennai has been tested COVID positive at Kohima. With this, we have 4 active cases. Contact tracing are being activated, he tweeted. 3 persons were tested positive for the coronavirus yesterday. All the positive cases have been detected. So far are all returnees from Chennai. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patton also confirmed the 4th case, and through his tweet today, he said, and I quote, "As Nagaland detects its 4th positive case of coronavirus, I want to urge that the government is monitoring the situation closely and the things are in control. The patient, like other positive cases, had returned from Chennai." Meanwhile, Nagaland Chief Secretary Temjin Toy has said that with the arrival of stranded persons from outside the state, the government along with the district administration and frontline workers have been stepping up its preventive measures with great efficiency. Addressing media persons at his office chamber at Civil Secretariat Kohima yesterday, he said that BSL Lab 3 at Kohima has started functioning and all the returnees' samples will be tested.
So we are carrying out triage, checking up symptoms and symptomatic people who have, fever and cough, keeping them separately, and then the asymptomatic ones also. And then, as you are aware, our BSL lab is now functional. So we have decided to go for pool testing. So everyone that comes, their samples will be tested. You see, on health alone, the health sector alone, starting with, all the PPEs and ventilators, ambulances, BSL lab and everything, I think we have spent close to 60 crores already. Outside of that, from the Chief Minister's Relief Fund, about 2.5 crores. 2.5 crores. No, almost 3 crores have been spent by way of helping the stranded people, this initial, stranded.
The death toll due to COVID-19 rose to 1,167 in the country, while the number of cases climbed to 1,45,380, registering an increase of 146 deaths and 6,535 cases yesterday, the Union Health Ministry said. The number of active COVID-19 cases climbed to 80,722. As many as 60,490 people have recovered and 1 patient has migrated, it said. A senior health ministry official said around 41.61% patients have recovered so far. According to the ministry data updated in the morning, the highest number of confirmed cases in the country are from Maharashtra at 52,667, followed by Tamil Nadu at 17,082, Gujarat at 14,460 and Delhi at 14,053. In the northeast, Assam has registered 595 cases, Tripura has 194, Manipur has 39, Meghalaya has registered 14 cases, Nagaland has reported 4 cases of the infection, Arunachal Pradesh has reported 2 cases of the virus, while Mizoram and Sikkim have reported a case each till now. Assam has registered 47 more new COVID-19 positive cases today, taking the state's total to 595. Confirming the news, Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, in his latest tweet on the state's COVID-19 status, said 21 are from Golaghat, 4 in Lakhimpur, 8 in Morigaon, 3 in Golpara, 1 each in Hojai and MMCH 1, 2 in Karbi Anglong and 5 in Nagaland. The Health Ministry informed that the swabs of the people are being collected for testing before they are being sent for quarantine. The deadly disease has claimed the lives of 4 persons so far in Assam, while 3 cases migrated from the state. There are 526 active cases in the state as of today. The overall number of global coronavirus cases has reached 54,95,491, while the death toll has touched 3,46,227, according to the Johns Hopkins University. The US has the world's highest number of cases and deaths at 16,62,302 and 98,220 respectively. In terms of cases, Brazil accounted for the second highest number of infections at 3,74,898. This was followed by Russia at 3,53,427 and the UK with 2,62,547. Meanwhile, the UK came in second after the US with 36,996 COVID-19 deaths, the highest fatalities in Europe. The Western Sumi Ho and the Western Sumi Baptist Akuku Kakakulu WSBK, in collaboration with the District Administration Dimapur, has set up a COVID-19 quarantine center at Livingstone Foundation International at Kevijau Thai village. The center has been kept ready for 196 beds to host the quarantinees. The organizations and the management has released this video showing the facilities and amenities being provided at the quarantine center. A first batch of stranded persons from Nagaland who arrived from other states have reached this quarantine center to be admitted. There are at present 155 females from Mon, Perin and Dimapur districts in the center. Among them are 2 infants of 11 months and the other of 4 months. Nagaland Chief Minister Nepirio today had a meeting with the ministers, advisors concerned and department heads of animal husbandry and veterinary services, Agri Nagaland and allied sectors and LRD Nagaland for implementation of sustainable livelihood activities to uplift a rural economy with the objective towards a self-reliant Nagaland. The Chief Minister also met with NBCC, APO, KVC, churches and other frontal organizations along with senior legislators and senior officers with the objective to unitedly fight COVID-19 by sharing the responsibilities. A total of 99 stranded citizens of Nagaland have departed from Punjab today in 3 buses after availing transportation assistance from the state government. The COVID-19 horticulture special drive led by District Horticulture Officer Temse Lonkamer visited farmers of different villages under Dimapur district with the message "Grow more, produce more, earn more." The special drive visit, which began on 18th May, is still continuing, and the officers led by DHU Temse would be visiting many villages to educate and encourage the farmers. During the visit, the special drive team gave awareness on self-sufficiency as COVID-19 pandemic was affecting crop cultivation and food supply chain in the state as well as the nation. The team encouraged the farmers to cultivate and produce more crops to make the state self-sufficient in horticulture crops for nutritional and economic benefits, stating that the horticultural crops can be grown by small and marginal farmers on any type of land and there is relatively low risk of crop failure. The team also emphasized on the importance of personal and community hygiene. Deputy Commissioner Mon Thawasilan K has notified that the total lockdown has been enforced in Mon subdivision on 27th May, and in view of the cancellation of the arrival of the stranded persons from different parts of the country to Mon district, all concerned have been informed that the enforcement of total lockdown is lifted with immediate effect. The revised date for enforcement of total lockdown will be notified as and when there is a confirmation of the dates on which returnees will be sent to Mon from Dimapur. Deputy Commissioner Mon Thawasilan K has informed that the sealing of interstate borders of Mon district with Assam has been lifted with immediate effect. The interstate movement of people and vehicles will be regulated according to the guidelines notified by the government. District Administration of Peren, in collaboration with Joint Action Committee on COVID-19, carried out social work today at ITI Polytechnic Hostel, Peren Government College Staff Quarter and Peren Government College Quarantine Center. During the social work, 2 excavators were used in digging temporary toilets and clearing of approach roads. Altogether, 117 volunteers from 5 villages under Jaluki subdivision participated in the social work. SDO Civil Sadar of Mogokchong, Thomjangde Motungwe launched the COVID-19 hygiene kits distribution program yesterday at the District Agricultural Office, which is an initiative of the Agricultural Technology Management Agency ATMA Mogokchong. While appreciating the efforts made by the department in assisting the farmers, especially during the ongoing economic crisis, it urged the Agriculture Department in particular and allied departments in general to remain dedicated and vigilant in addressing emergency situations that may possibly arise, particularly as a result of global warming. Addressing on the importance of sharing COVID-19 advisories to the farmers by the department, he further stressed on the importance to develop possible action plans in case of any possible attack of locusts and other pests on crop plants, along with weather forecast advisories to be disseminated to the farmers. The program was held understanding that farmers, being the primary agents of our food supply chain, prior and due attention have to be given to ensure that their well-being and safety. Around 5,000 number of each of face masks and hand soaps along with COVID-19 advisory pamphlets were handed over to all the 9 ATMA farm information and advisory centers to be distributed to the farmers. According to the Department of Health and Family Welfare Nagaland, a total number of 3,159 persons were screened as of today. A total of 1,405 cumulative number of samples were sent for testing, and the results of 1,100 have been received, out of which 4 have tested positive. Results for 1,096 have tested negative. Results for 305 samples are awaited. 40 samples were tested by TrueNat, and the total number of negative results through this test is 37, and the number of results awaited is 3. The department also informed that 2,956 persons are at facility quarantine. A total of 7,010 are out of home quarantine. In Mokokchung, the Longsa Village Council donated local vegetables to the quarantine centers located in Mokokchung town. The centers have expressed gratitude to the Longsa Village Council for their generous contribution. That brings us to the end of this broadcast. Do subscribe to us on the YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Stay home, stay safe, and take good care of yourself. From all of us here, it's bye for now, and thanks for watching.